We have the products you're just going to love here today.
Yeah, lots of them. They were all
would like to support homegrown Colorado businesses and shop local.
Yes.
We have the products you're just going to love here today.
Yeah, lots of them. They were all created by Colorado Inventors. We have entrepreneur and gadget queen with us today, Christina Daves. She's going to tell us all about these. What did you bring us today?
Yes. Okay, this is one of my absolute favorites. This is Be Good to People.
Love
it's all
them.
black and white.
Yes.
Right? We're living in a rough world right now, so this is great. This is Nokero, which means no kerosene. So it's clean energy. So these are solar lamps. You put them in the sun, they go for 15 hours.
Really? That's
15
incredible.
hours.
Awesome.
Right?
And these are all, again,
These are
locally
all
created.
Colorado Inventors.
Wonderful.
I
This
love
is
that.
awesome. This is Steelies by Nite Eiz. So it's a little magnet that goes on the back of your iPad, your phone. You can put it in your car. But if you want to read a recipe or watch something, look at this. It just sticks right on.
What? I need that.
Isn't that great?
Yes, I'm always putting a big pillow in my lap so I can read my iPad.
magnet.
It's just a
right?
magnet,
It's a
yeah.
magnet.
So you just put that on the back, and
Wow.
then just take
Take
it
it
right
off.
Why didn't I come up with that?
Right.
That's crazy.
Once again, a Colorado product. Thank you
Yes,
very much.
Hangomatic. This is brilliant. It's all in one. So you have a level, you have a measuring tape, and then you mark right here where you want to hang something.
I feel like that is just perfect because, you know, you're always looking for the leveler.
Right, right.
And
You're
there it
like,
is.
What do I do? What do I do? And
Yeah.
if you try to get your mark.
That's awesome. I
That's
love it.
really cool.
Okay.
So all in one. Yeah, just push that. And then
Push
you can
it
just
down.
pull the tape measure out.
That's awesome.
That's
all right.
amazing.
Yep, so it's all in one.
You can
We
just
go back here.
hang it over
make
there.
sure the
Let's do it.
Colorado's best thing is level. It is. Good job.
There you go.
Ooh, that would have been rough if it wasn't. Okay.
Now this is great. This is called Bitsbox. And it's to help 6 to 12-year-olds learn computer programming. How do you code? And every month, this is so cool, you get 3, you basically create apps every month. Each month builds on the next. So you'll see, like, this is a land far away. It tells you what to do. And these can go live on your phones and your tablets. Like, these are real live apps that the kids are creating.
But you also have this hard copy in front of you they can walk through.
This is how you walk through it,
the
exactly.
instructions.
The step-by-step
Okay,
instructions.
awesome.
And then you have an app that you can share with your family and your friends.
Right.
Isn't
Give
that
it to
great?
people for Christmas. Here's the app I created.
Yes.
Wow.
Isn't that fun?
And it all
great.
comes in this. How
And it
fun
comes
for
in, yep,
you know, a teenager to get in the mail.
Exactly. Now this is by Lilly Brush, and you know we all use the lint brushes that
Oh, yeah.
stick to everything.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this is the Forever Furless Brush.
What?
Yeah, and you
Really?
just use it, and this is for smaller
And that's
ones.
going to take off the cat hair off
That's
of
going
my.
to take all the hair, everything.
Off
Is that
my
a scraper or
dresses.
something?
Yeah,
What
this is a scraper like on your
Okay.
sofa if you need to
Oh,
get you know, the small pieces.
I got you.
I rather use this than those little paper, the sticky
Right, they
paper that you
stick
have to
on
come
everything.
off, and then you have to go buy more. I rather use this.
Isn't that great?
That's
like
awesome.
it.
Yep,
And
and
a
they
Lilly
last
brush.
forever. Lilly Brush.
Awesome.
And the last one, this is so smart.
Is this a knee brace? What is
So
this?
it is. It's a brace. It's called a Cryosleeve, but feel the gel in it, squeeze it, so you can freeze it. So not only is it a therapy brace, you
And it's
also get the ice.
compression.
It's compression,
Ah,
ice.
I'm stealing that. That's mine.
And
She's got that one.
Matt Hyder, who invented this, was just named 30 Under 30 for Success
Oh,
Magazine.
wow. That's
Huge.
awesome.
That's a great honor. So this is a great product.
And the best thing is that you can walk around, like if you've got that injury, you don't have to lay down and put ice on it.
Exactly.
You
You can
put it
walk-
on, you can actually walk around
And
with
it'll
this.
stay cold for an hour.
That's great.
So the knees, elbows, everything.
I love that.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, so I'm just like
all
I'll
Colorado products
We
are
love Be Good to People.
Yes.
How long? They've been around a while
She
now.
has been around.
I
Yeah,
remember
she's
when we-
actually become a good friend. So
when they
probably
launched.
a good 10 years.
Yeah, yeah.
But now it's a really important thing that we need to all be good to people.
All right, so Joanna's going with the knee brace. I'm
Yep.
going with that gadget. What's that
Okay,
called again?
Steelies.
The Steelies.
Yeah, by Nite Eiz. You might have to fight me for that one. They're all
These are
good.
awesome, Christine.
These are great. And
Great.
so if people want more information on these,
Yes.
you have a book that's out?
Well, my website is ChristinaDaves.com, and my book just launched today on Amazon, The DIY Guide to Free Publicity. So it's how you can learn to get on programs like this. How do you get visibility? All these people, all these Colorado inventors want people across the world to see their products.
Oh, nice.
So what is your best tip to someone out there? Yeah, 30 seconds to give someone, an entrepreneur out there who's like got a great product or service. What's the first thing they should do?
What makes you stand out? What makes you different? And what makes you valuable to the audience? Who is your audience? Who is your demographic? And why is something like this valuable to them? It's not about you. It's about the audience.
That's awesome. Once again, kudos to all the Colorado people who created these awesome awesome products. Thank you for showing them to us,
Thank
Christina.
you.
And it's ChristinaDavies.com to
Daves.
find,
Yeah,
Daves,
Daves,
to
yeah.
find out more.